Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome to Grandpa's Workshop. Firstly, as always, a big thank you to all my subscribers. This week I'm going to be using the Algo Laser DIY kit to make a little bit of something for my wife for Valentine's Day. I've positioned the slate heart where I want it, so now I'm going to try and engrave on it. That's the engraving finished. I'm not going to put any wax or anything on this. I think it looks just about right as it is. So all I need to do now is put a piece of string back on here, and then it's all ready to give to my wife on Valentine's Day. That's it, all ready to be hung up. These slate hearts, I bought them from a shop here in the UK called The Works, and they were only £2 each. So I've got a second one here for a future project. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and as always, thanks for watching.